Well, it's a warm one today. It's over 90 degrees and the humidity's up there, but it's nice and cool in the shade now as we drive over to the field. This is a nice little field. I didn't even know this was back here. Drive by this road and see these houses. And the field dips off behind. There she goes. There's the dust. Well, it's time to get to work. Gotta go. Well, with all the old strings tied up here, I got my adult sippy cup working. I don't know, it's about 60 ounces, I don't know. But it's a third of the way gone already. Making quick work out of this hayfield. Back to work. Last row. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Look at that field. What a perfect day for this. So the hay is, we got 59 bales on that field. I think we're going to go to another small field near Pete's place and just get 15 more bales. And that should be one more row about, and then we'll put it away. This second cutting of hay is a little softer than the first cutting. The first cutting will stab you right in the legs. And this stuff, it sticks. I don't know. This stuff, it sticks to your legs. But not as bad as the first cutting. And some of it was a little heavier because it was in the shade and had a little more moisture to it, but still a great workout and not bad at all. I think I'll sit down for the trip home. The baler has a counter on it that lets you know how many bales you made. This one said 59, but we lost the first one and we threw it back in the next windrow. These country roads are heavily trafficked. All right. Here's the next field. We passed it up earlier. Peter's house is right up the hill there. Right up behind those trees is his goat farm. The end of this field's too tight to make the turn around the stop sign over there. So we had to go back out in the street, get these next couple rows. The field is kind of shaped like a teardrop. Which, well, that's it. We're done at this point. I don't know how many that is, but 15 or 16 more bales, maybe more. Oh, that sun's hot. But it feels good. It was a good workout. That'll keep you in shape. Farm work will, certainly.
86.
How many?
86.
86 minus 1.
8.
Okay, 18. You said 16 bales or something like that. 18 bales.
Good.
Usually your legs get all chewed up the first time you're haying with no pants on. Oh, okay. Your first time out wearing shorts when you're haying. I haven't done that the first couple times. This is my first time wearing shorts. But it can certainly nick up your legs, but the grass was pretty soft this time. Thankfully. There's some good looking bales. Oh. Peter only said to go 3 feet or 3 bales high. This last one I did 4 so I'd have some room to work. But that's a good half wagon of hay. That'll be great for the winter. It's nice around here. Old Glory out in front, that's nice. What a pretty place to farm. We tap all these large maple trees at the end of every year. I don't know, this house has been here for a couple hundred years, I guess. Same with the barn. Last thing to do is load these up into the barn. The goats are down below sometimes, so we can just drop the hay, or Peter and his sons drop the hay down through holes in the floor, trap doors, down to the goats below. Pretty neat system. You let gravity work for you. Well, the hay's all in now. It's in the aisles. It's stacked up and filling up the rooms on the side of the barn. Down there. As we get to the back of the barn, I don't know if you can see, we're shoving it under here too. So, we got about 85 bales today. So that was worth doing. So yeah, you can see it's stacked up in the aisles here. So another good day. Here's the cheese cave right there under the ground. That's a whole nother video. Hey, that's the end of this day. That was a great workout and a good time out in the sun. This is Scott with the XFed Homestead. See you next time.